In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to erase content in Adobe Acrobat using the redaction tool. This is an essential skill if you need to permanently remove sensitive information from your documents before sharing them. We'll go over each step to ensure you understand exactly what to do, so let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your document in Adobe Acrobat. Once you have your document ready, head over to the Tools section at the top of the application. It's usually located near the center, and clicking it will open a range of different tool options. From this list, look for the tool labeled Redact. You might need to scroll or search a bit depending on how many tools you've got enabled, but once you find it, click on it to open the redaction toolbar. Now that you have the redaction tool open, we're going to focus on marking the text or images you want to erase. To do this, look for the Mark for Redaction option. This is essentially your digital highlighter that helps identify the sections intended for removal. Carefully select the text or areas you need to erase by dragging your cursor over them. Adobe Acrobat allows for precision, so make sure to zoom in if you're dealing with smaller text or intricate details. Marking these areas doesn't remove them yet. Instead, it prepares those sections for permanent deletion in the next step. With your areas marked, the next step is crucial: applying the redactions. Go back to the redaction toolbar and click on Apply Redactions. A prompt may appear, reminding you that applying redactions is irreversible. Once they're set, there's no going back. Confirm that you want to proceed, and Adobe will replace the marked sections with a blackout or blank space, ensuring that the original content is no longer retrievable. Finally, you'll want to save your document. This step is incredibly important because it ensures all the changes you made are finalized and stored correctly. Navigate to File, then select Save or Save, as if you want to keep the original document intact and create a new version with the redactions. Remember, saving often helps prevent data loss and acts as a great habit in any kind of content editing. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can efficiently erase content in your Adobe Acrobat documents, keeping your information secure and well protected. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Have a great day.